the perception of pastoralism, when people talk about pastoralists, you're talking about people who are hungry. You're talking about poor people. You're talking about people who are in conflict. You're talking about people who have not gone to school. But that has to change. And the people to change that perception and feeling is the people sitting in this room working with the county government and working with the president and myself at the national government. And I want to tell you, we are ready and we want to work with you. All children must go to school. Majority of the children who don't go to school are children that belong to pastoralists. We must speak the truth. Yeah? And so, we need to think about how our children will go to school. We need to think and speak about how to stop FGM and all the other nonsense that is happening to our girls. And we must be forthright about them.